Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you through the process to redeem the Google Play gift card. So you can just go over and follow up these basic steps. For that, it is pretty easy. So if you're on your mobile device or tablet, you can start by going to your Play Store application, or you can go to play.google.com/redeem. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the application for this video right here. And once you are here, you can look out for your profile picture in the top right corner and select it. Once you select this option right here, you will be finding different options available. You can go to the payments and the subscription pays and go ahead and open it up. And once you open it up, you can look out for the option of redeeming the code. So select the option of redeem code from here. And once you select it up, here you will be finding this piece right here. Now you just need to go ahead and enter the code from your gift card or choose a scan gift card to use your camera. So in this box right here, enter the code. You just need to enter the code. And once you do so, you just need to tap on this option called redeem. And once you tap on it, it should start checking your code and you will be able to redeem the gift card. If not that, you can even tap on the scan gift card option and you can place the QR code or any code available to scan the gift card using your camera. And that way, you can redeem your Google Pay gift card. Or while making a purchase as well, you can just go over the checkout process for a purchase on the Play Store. And on the payment method, you can select the option of redeeming the code. And you can enter the code and follow the on-screen instructions to redeem your Google Play gift card that way. So therefore, everybody, if you want to redeem your Google Play gift card, these are the methods that are available. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.